Wheelchair Center. Welcome to the Pet Rescue Center. I'm Kiki, a volunteer for animal protection. Let's help stray animals. Let's go. Be sure to care for animals. The stray animals have been spotted in these two areas. Let's rescue them. Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. It's dangerous for the kitten to hide under the car. Let's get it out. It refused to come out. Let's attract it with a toy. Yeah, the kitten has come out. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The puppy has been pressed down by the bricks. Let's move the bricks and save the poor puppy. The puppy was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, please help examine it. You can count on me. Which house will the animals live in? Let's choose for them. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. One of the puppy's legs was injured. Let's examine it. Oh no, the puppy has fractured its leg. Don't worry, let's fix it. Great! The puppy can walk again. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. How lovely! Can I adopt it? Of course! Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's see how we can help them. The kitten is having inflamed eyes and looks uncomfortable. Let's treat its eyes. on the stray kitten can make it itchy. Let's help it get rid of the fleas. The kitten's body is also infected. Let's apply some drops. Look, the kitten is feeling much better now. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. So cute. Can I adopt it? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. You're its owner now. Please care for it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. The child is having a nice dream. In her dream, the little fairy Mew Mew is taking her to a wonderful journey. Mew Mew's magic. Flick, flick. There are lots of fun games in Magic Bubbles. Let's take a look. House design. Wow! What a huge milk carton! A house can be made out of the milk carton, Little Cow said. Insert a hose to drain the milk inside. Paint the carton by using milk mixed with fruit juice. Put straws on the roof. Install a windmill, a door, and a window. Then install the fences. Put your favorite decorations next to the house. You're great! Little Cow jumps for joy. Thank you. Here's a gift from You Have a New Decoration.
Whoa!
Here's a cracked egg. Mom hen wants to build a house with the eggshells. First, piece the eggshells together. Seal the cracks with cement. Paint the eggshells. Stick on beautiful pictures. Install the doors. Put your favorite decorations next to the house. What a beautiful house! Mom hen likes it very much. Earthquake! The earthquake has destroyed factories, schools, and residential buildings. It has also brought disaster to people. Emergency rescue and aid are needed in the disaster area. After the earthquake, our rescue center will bring the rescue equipment and relief supplies to the disaster area, using transportation means such as aircrafts and automobiles. The emergency rescue team will also set out for the disaster area immediately to conduct rescue operations. Before the rescue team reaches the disaster area, they must have a good idea of the situation on the ground as part of their preparations. Follow me, team. Momo, your task is to draw up a map of the disaster area.
Okay, I will first use a drone to capture images of the disaster. Now, operate the drone. Drag the center position and locate your target. A picture is taken once you locate your target. These are pictures taken by the drone. They will form a complete map when placed together like a jigsaw puzzle. The map is ready! Awesome! Formed a map. It looks like the location marked by a red flag is closest to the epicenter of the earthquake, and the damage there is the most severe. We are now at the location marked by the blue flag. We will be able to reach the disaster area by moving along this road. Captain Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map.
Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there.
Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it.
me locate these rescue tools. Rope, rescue boots, loudspeaker. Help me locate these rescue tools. Cutting pliers, electric saw, jack. I want to bring these rescue tools with me. Shovel, crowbar, rock drill. Where are all these rescue tools? Oxygen tank, optical detector, medical kit. Good job. Let us set out for the disaster area right now. We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go. Press here to run forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! 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 We are almost there. Keep going! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost past the tunnel. Good job so far. Quick, follow me into the disaster area. Awesome! You have finally completed the 3 rescue tasks with all that effort. This is a bravery medal for you. Keep going!
Earthquake Rescue 2. Welcome to Earthquake Science Museum. I am the docent, Kiki. Today, let's talk about earthquake warning. What is the principle of earthquake warning? When the earthquake strikes, earthquake station near the epicenter captures the initial seismic wave information. Then Earthquake Warning Center immediately estimates seismic parameters and influence intensity and sends an alert to the earthquake region before the destructive seismic waves arrive, so as to remind residents to take urgent measures and alleviate disaster losses. When the earthquake strikes, there are 2 main types of seismic waves: longitudinal wave and transverse wave. Longitudinal wave has faster propagation speed while causing less damage. Transverse wave has slower propagation speed while causing more damage. When an earthquake warning system detects the arrival of the longitudinal wave, it will send an alert before the arrival of the more destructive transverse wave. There exist blind zones for earthquake warning near the earthquake epicenter. In general, the effective range of an earthquake warning is about 50 to 200 kilometers from the epicenter. As a result, it's difficult for the people to respond, even if an alert is sent for areas within 50 kilometers from the epicenter. While for areas 200 kilometers away from the epicenter, as the damage caused by the earthquake may not be serious, an alert is not required. Earthquake warning messages can be communicated through radio, television, mobile phones, and other media. Once receiving an earthquake warning message, if you are on a second or higher floor, remember the tips of lie prostrate, cover up, and hold firm. and protect yourself by finding a shelter nearby. If you are on the first floor or stay outside, immediately run to an open and safe area. Once receiving an earthquake warning message, the bullet train will make an emergency brake immediately in order to stay safe. Nuclear power plants will shut down immediately as well. Next, let's reinforce your knowledge on earthquake warning through racing games of earthquake warning system and seismic wave. Hello everyone, I am the earthquake warning system. This is the seismic longitudinal wave. The more destructive seismic transverse wave is right behind. I must bring the earthquake information to the residents in the town ahead. That's great! The seismic transverse wave hasn't caught up. We'll reach the town soon. Keep going. The seismic transverse wave is approaching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The seismic transverse wave has arrived. Now, do you know the principle of earthquake warning? The earthquake strikes. Evacuate to the open and safe area immediately. I am Kiki. I have received professional first aid training. Let's search for the injured in need of help. When an earthquake strikes, natural gas pipelines are damaged. The leaking gas ignites due to the spark of the electrical appliance and starts a fire. What shall we do? Make a wet towel first. Covering your nose and mouth with a wet towel can filter the smoke out of the air and reduce the intake of toxic gas. Check if the doorknob is hot before, in case of fire. Touch the doorknob with the back of your hands. It's burning hot! The door is burning hot. That means the fire is coming our way. Keep the door shut. When trapped indoors by fire, you should immediately call for help from balconies or windows. Help! Help! Do not call out for help for too long. Keep your strength up and wait for rescue. Touch the doorknob with the back of your hands. If the doorknob is not hot, then check if there's smoke in the corridor. If there's no smoke, evacuate as quickly as possible. When the fire breaks out, you should find an emergency exit sign right away and follow the directions to evacuate as quickly as possible. Drag the injured and follow the direction indicated by the emergency exit. After an earthquake strikes or a fire breaks out, it's dangerous to take the elevator. Let's take the stairs. My arm was scalded. It hurts. I am coming to give first aid. Rinse with clean water to cool the wound. Cut off the clothing near the wound. You need to go to the nearby hospital for further treatment. Okay, Kiki, thank you so much. You're welcome. How should we perform self-rescue when the fire breaks out? Let's review. 1. Cover your nose and mouth with a wet towel. 2. Keep the door shut if it's burning hot. 3. Call for help from balconies or windows. 4. Stay calm and wait for rescue. Perform self-rescue from fire to evacuate safely. 1. Cover your nose and mouth with a wet towel. 2. If the doorknob is not hot, open the door to check if there's smoke. 3. Bend forward and proceed to locate emergency exit. 4. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. First aid for scald. 1. Rinse with water to cool the wound. 2. Cut off the clothing.
4 seasons. Kids, there are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. There are different scenes in different seasons. Let's check them out. Autumn. Autumn is coming. Leaves turn gold. Harvest crops. Autumn is coming. The rice has turned golden. The golden rice has become white rice after being processed. Let's harvest the rice. Start the harvester and harvest the rice. Roar, roar! Dry the rice quickly. Let's dry the rice. Good job! The rice are dried. Next, let's process the rice. There are many impurities in the rice. Remember to remove them before processing the rice. The golden rice has become white rice after being processed by the machine. Wow, that's a lot of rice. The rice harvest is incredibly hard work. We should cherish the food. Make crafts with fallen leaves. Leaves turn yellow in autumn and they fall to the ground. Pick up some pretty leaves and turn them into a dress and a crown. You've picked up a lot of beautiful leaves. Let's start making crafts. Paste flowers on it, and the leaf dress will be more beautiful. What a beautiful dress! I also want a crown made with fallen leaves. First, tie the vines together. Great job! These are the most beautiful dress and crown in the world.
Supermarket. I have to do the grocery shopping today. Kiki, could you help me? No problem. You can count on me.
Bags should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Come and have a look. Remember to buy these items.
What should we get first?
Cake section. What kind of cake do you like?
Clothes section.
What kind of outfit and shoes would you like? This outfit and this pair of shoes look nice. You can try them on if you like. It fits you perfectly. Looks awesome! I am all set, thank you.
Toys section. I like this toy. Where is it?
Awesome! We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello, please put your items on the counter. Clothes. Cake. Doll. Shoes. How would you like to pay?
Mobile payment.
Thank you very much.
It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Honey, thanks for your help. You are awesome. What's our password?
887. 7.
Hi, I am Kiki. Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Yeah!
I want to make carrot rice rolls, but first let's find some carrots. Yay! We've got enough carrots. The elephant's trunk has water. Blend the carrots into juice. Let's add the steamed rice. Add some meat for more flavor. Pick a mold Congratulations! I want to make some coconut pudding. First, let's get the coconuts. All right, we got 3 coconuts. Great! What should we use to open the coconut? Let's filter the coconut juice. Scoop the coconut fruit out. Add a little honey to make it sweeter.